In this video, I'll show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP DeskJet 4255e. I'll show you different ways, different places where you can check for any stuck paper and how to make your printer work again. So let's get started. The first thing I suggest to you is to unplug the printer from the wall socket. So go in the back. Once you get this error, and simply unplug it. Now, first start by checking over here. So open the small flap, the small door, okay? Take a look inside to see if there is any stuck paper, any debris, anything that forbids the cartridge carriage to move around. Take a pair of tweezers or maybe your fingers and go ahead and remove the stuck paper if you see it. If there's nothing abnormal there, let me show you a second place where you can check. If you were, for example, scanning using the top document feeder, you can check over here as well. Sometimes paper can get stuck when the printer takes it, or right over here where the paper output is. Check to see if there's anything stuck. Another place where you can check is to simply flip your printer on its back like this. And you're gonna notice there's a small sticker here. Just peel it out. And now this door is held with two clips. Simply put your fingers there and unclip. Oops. Just like this by pulling it down. This will give you access over here and hopefully you're gonna see the stuck paper and you'll be able to remove it simply by pulling it out again with a pair of tweezers, maybe if it's stuck deeply inside. Don't forget to close this. Once you remove the paper, go ahead and connect back your printer. The printer, once you connected it, will turn on by itself. You won't have to press the power button necessarily. And the error, which should be error E4, I think, for paper jam, should disappear by itself. So go ahead, test your printer, and hopefully you'll be able to print after that. Usually it takes, I think, 2 minutes for the printer to wake up completely. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.